Hey everyone, it's 12:33 p.m. on Saturday, March 20th, 2021, and right here is a polished brass Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan, yet another one that I have. It was manufactured on May 20th, 1991. It was the 647th fan manufactured that day, and it will say so if you read the tag on the switch housing there, if you can see it. See right there? Yep, it's Casablanca, Delta II. You see that small text engraved into it. 2 letters and 5 numbers. So it's kind of like an alphanumerical code that Casablanca uses to put the dates on their fans. Look at that. There's a faceplate. There's the, you can see the flywheel right there. The rubber flywheel looks really good. And everything was original on this fan except for the canopy. I decided to use a post-recall hang true canopy because I had plenty of those around. I thought, why take any chances? Because it did come with the recall one with the grooves on the top of it. And I just put that small medallion up there to cover up the hole that I had to chop away to help accommodate the fan brace that I installed to accommodate fans such as this one. Because the other junction box that was here didn't really accommodate ceiling fans very well, so thankfully I was able to remedy that. It wasn't easy, but I did it. And let's have a look at the blades right there. They're sort of a walnut finish. And the light kit was new old stock from a lighting store. See right there, you can see part of the top of it. I think Fasco manufactured it because it was a place that once sold like Fasco patent products. The globe was from Craftmate because it came off a Craftmate that I had. There's the finial right there. And it did come with a genuine Casablanca 3-light kit, but I decided to take it off because I didn't really care for it. Oops. Now, why did it do that? Why did it zoom in on the fan like that? Zoom out like that, okay. That's better. Sorry about that little blooper right there, but anyway. Let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? Look at that. Puts out decent light. It's nice uplight. It's not quite as common as the bowl lights you see on those ceiling fans today. It's very 90s contemporary, and because the fan was manufactured in the 90s, and it gives it somewhat of a contemporary vibe to an otherwise traditional fan. It puts out really good light too. It's very ambient because I put some LED bulbs in it, so it's very efficient as well. And that being said, let's rev the fan up, and it starts out on low, as with most Casablancas. And I think we can turn the light out. We've got enough, because we have enough light in the room to accommodate it. Medium. It's really starting to move air, really starting to pick up. feeling a breeze on it. It's just on medium. And let's bump up to high, shall we? I did have to give the blade somewhat of a balance, but it's really moving a lot of air, just like a Casablanca should. Okay, we'll do. And we'll do spin down. Yeah, I got this fan off Facebook Marketplace approximately 2 years ago. Now I finally got to hanging it with a few modifications that I already established. It's a really awesome fan. It goes well with the room too, so I plan to leave this up here for a good while, and if I do replace it, it'll be with other Casablancas I have yet to test. Polished brass ones, mind you. And 3-speed ones too. Okay, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.